Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't sign you in at the moment. Microsoft Edge sign-in requires the latest version of Internet Explorer. Right-click Start button, click Run, copy text from description and paste it. Right-click MSedge, click Properties. Click Change Settings for all users. Uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Close and reopen MSedge. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.